Sandeep, what do you make out of the bounce that we are seeing on the FMCG names? Because clearly, onto the Q3 updates that we are getting in, there's been no substantial recovery, or rather, now the other point that these brokerages are making is that given the kind of muted sort of a growth we have seen in the first 2 quarters, now the base building process is right there, and some of these brokerages are also bullish on a couple of these names. Budget is also one of the key triggers wherein consumption is expected to get a boost. We have to see how the numbers pan out, definitely. But what's your sense on the FMCG basket? Is this a sector where one should like start accumulating or rather stay away?
Yeah, so keeping aside the budget and keeping zero expectations of any consumer revival because of that, the consumer demand was supposed to revive last year after almost 1.5 years of subdued growth, 1.5, 2 years of subdued growth. It did not happen. Now, the last quarter also saw some companies do it slightly better, but overall, on the FMCG consumer side, the demand has been muted. Now, after 2 years of muted growth, given the fact that agri incomes could pick up, some urban revival could happen, and as inflation ebbs off, we could see potentially a revival in volumes. So there should definitely be some revival in 2025. Most of these stocks, after having run up to all-time highs 4 5 months back, have fallen nearly 25 to 35% from the tops. Typically, high quality consumer names, when they correct 30% odd from the top, they become compelling buys because even if we assume that they go back to the same levels even after 2 years, that itself is a 20% kind of CAGR, which is very good for FMCG counter with large established brands.